Today we're going to make an awesome mixed media layout using stamps and inks and stencils, and it's going to be gorgeous red, white, and blue. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Stay tuned. So I decided I wanted to go for an ombre look for the dates. And I haven't done this very often, and I think it probably kind of shows, but I am starting off with Tombow marker number 553, and I'm just doing the entire number there, and then I'm going to come back with number 528 and just pick either the top or the bottom. I alternated it from one page to the other and just add it along the bottom. Then I'm going to go back over it again with 553. And I think it came out looking okay, not as great as I see on other people's Instagrams, obviously, but real life is never as great as Instagram. This very first stamp is from a Heidi swap kit that I found at Tuesday Morning about a year ago, and I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. If I can find it online, I'll link it in the description below. I don't even remember the name of this stamp set. Something about adventure, and that is Ranger Archival in Shadow Gray. Now I'm going to repeat the ombre process that I used up at the top to just write July. I'm going to add 4th of in a darker color in just a little bit, but I'm starting off with Tombow number 772, and then I'm going to follow that up with number 837, and then I will go back over it again one more time in 772. Here's where the mixed media fun begins. This stencil is one that I picked up at Walmart about a year ago. It's just from the interior decorating aisle, I think. Anyway, I am adding Distress Oxide in Faded Blue Jeans, and I'm just using an inexpensive brush that I purchased from Michael's. I think I got like 4 of them for $3 in the stenciling aisle, and just going over it in kind of a swirling motion. If you use the blender tool that they sell in the scrapbooking aisle, sometimes you can get kind of a hard circle edge to your stenciling, and using the brush gives a much more smooth edge. back in with a different stencil. This time I'm using Aged Mahogany from Ranger Ink. And you may notice that I went and put the stencil down in 3 different areas, and I'm kind of going in a little bit of a triangle formation there at the bottom, in the middle, and I'm kind of gonna move the stenciling towards the top with the polka dots, and then again back down in the lower right corner. And I chose those areas because I knew that those were going to be areas that I wasn't going to have a whole lot of functional planning that I needed to do, so I would have plenty of white space to use if I needed. Now I'm adding, this stamp is from the Sweet Stamp Shop, and unfortunately it's discontinued, which really kind of stinks because the headers in this set are just so adorable. This is, of course, the Happy Planner stamp set. I just used 1 stamp in 1 location for these, and this, I believe, is from Sweet Stamp Shop again. I believe this is from either the Basic Tabs or More Tab set. And what I'm doing is I am doing some 2nd generation stamping. I stamped the star out 1 time in the first color there at the top and get a nice bold crisp image, and then without re-inking the stamp, I stamp it again elsewhere on the page to get kind of a ghostly star effect. These stamps are from the Hero Arts Meal Planner Collection by Kelly Perky, and they say lunch, dinner, and snack. I generally don't eat breakfast, but I did want to keep track of what I eat for lunch, for dinner, and for my snacks throughout the week. So I'm going to alternate this with Cobalt and Ranger Archival and Plum. I'm not sure if this social media icon stamp set from Sweet Stamp Shop is still available. If it is, I'll link it in the description box below. But I just absolutely love that, the little YouTube stamp. They also have Instagram and Pinterest and Twitter, I think, and Facebook. They're just absolutely too stinking adorable. And this little check mark is from either the More Tabs or Basic Tabs stamp set. Now, these stickers I made with a stamp from Sweet Stamp Shop. This one was from the Basic Tabs collection, and I just colored them with some Tombow markers and cut them out and ran them through my Xyron machine. I'm going to end up messing around with this washi tape for a little bit longer than I normally would. I think I got this at Walmart. I'm not real sure, but I'm going to end up having to redo that right there. See, it wasn't quite straight, so I ended up having to lay down another strip of washi tape. These next couple of washi tapes are from the Happy Planner. I'm not real sure which washi tape collection they're from, but I found them at Joann's with just a whole bunch of thin washi. I've got this red washi tape and glitter white washi tape. It's really pretty. Looks almost like snow, but it works really great for 4th of July. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned till the end to see some after the pen planner pages. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.